Well, good afternoon, everyone. Kian Nabro here, and today I'll finish off my installation of DHCP. Okay, so we're already on our Windows Server 2016 here. So what I'm gonna go down to is the Server Manager. Alright, so we're in our Server Manager here. We can see the computer name as server, the domain name as kion.com. This flag here is gonna show configuration required for DHCP server. Alright, so what we want to do is click Tools, click DHCP, bring this up a little bit. Alright, server, beyond.com DHCP. Right click this, IPv4, IPv6, IPv4. Before DHCP server can issue IP address, you must create a scope and authorize DHCP server. A scope is a range of IP addresses basically. So, alright, right click on the IPv4, new scope. Alright, so we click next, name. This is just gonna be the name for your scope. Let's name it basic scope. Alright, we named it basic scope, click next. Alright, start IP address and end the IP address. So let's go back to our services. Alright, so our IP address right now is 192.168.0.1. Alright, so let's start our scope at 192.168.0.100. Let's end our scope at 192.168.0. I'll give it 200. There we gave us 100 different unique IP addresses. I'll leave the subnet mask as it is. Click next. Add exclusions. This is if you want to exclude any IP addresses. Say you want like a set range of IP addresses, maybe for your printers or whatever other equipment you have in your office network. I don't have any of those right now, so I'll just next it. You can always change these things later. Click next. Alright, this is the lease duration. The lease is like how long you want to give out these IP addresses for. It depends on the size of your network or the business you're using it at. I'd say 8 days is a pretty good amount. But sometimes if you have like a lot of users, like a high volume traffic going on in your business, you would want to like reduce the time so it doesn't like fill up all your unique IP addresses. I'll leave it as 8. Click next. Yes, I will configure these options now. Router default gateway. Alright, the router default gateway is default gateway that all the clients are gonna use. That would be for a router. So, and let me give it a couple IP addresses. I'll give it 192.168.0.1. That's one, and let's give it a second one. Alright, for the second one, I'll give it. When I set up my network, give it this IP address. It's 10.1.1. Alright, I'll give that. I'll keep this one above because we have this one installed right now, and I'll leave this one below because we don't have this installed right now. But this is gonna be the future default gateway of my internet. Like next. Alright, the parent domain, well, that's the domain name we created earlier, so I'll keep it as that. Like next. Win server. I'm not too sure who still uses the Win servers, but I know it still exists. It's for those old legacy clients, but I don't have those, so I'll just leave it as blank for now. Would I want to activate my scope now? Yes, I'll activate my scope right now. I'll click finished. Okay, authorize the DHCP server. Alright, so let's just authorize the server real quick. The DHCP. Managed. Authorize server. Authorize 2.68.0.1. Okay. Name key server Keon. Okay. Alright, now that we're here, we have the domain name, we have the server. Let's try to add one of our other server. Let's add one of our other computers to this domain controller. Alright, let me go down to my virtual box. See which one do I want to pick. I have the 7, 10. Let's take 7. Alright, let me pull 7 up on my other screen. Second. Alright, we have 7 here now. Okay, we have 7 up. Let's make sure all the information is correct. Network and sharing center. Change adapter settings. Properties. IP version 4. Alright. Default gateway 192.168.0.1. Matching out. Alright. Make sure everything is working. CMD. Ping. 2.168.0.1. Alright, we're getting active. Alright, we're getting a response from the server. Alright, so now let's get out of all of this. Everything seems to be connected. Order, data, properties. Alright. Change settings. Change. Alright. You see right here we have the computer name. Keep the computer name the same. Is a member of, it currently says work group, so go on to domain. Type in the domain. So your domain is QION.com. Alright. Click OK. Enter the name and password of an account with a permission to join the domain. Okay. An account should be and the account password should be okay. Wait for it to load up a little bit. Welcome to Keon.com. That's a good sign. Alright, click OK. Close. Should start now. Pull this aside a little bit. Make this box a little bigger. Not gonna matter though. Control Alt Delete. Alright, this is the current user right now. I'll take a record of that. Windows 7 PC. 1 second. Get my my trusty snipping tool. Guess I can remember it for later. Alright, I got it recorded. Alright, cool. Now we got a switch user. Other users. Logging into Keon. Alright, so we doing MISR8. No. Do this. // password. Oh, oh. Nice. Nope. Setting it up for the first time. This is a good sign. This means that our test worked. Nice. Alright, let's go double check that everything's everything. Properties. Boom. Domain. Keon.com. Computer name. Windows 7 PC. Keon.com. Alright, let's see if we can do anything else here. Go to CMD. Thing. Good. Alright, everything works as it should work. Thank you guys for watching and do have a wonderful day.